Welcome back to MAB Miss Mathematics. Today I will take continue limit chapter. First question is that find the limit x raised to 4 minus 9 upon x square plus 4 root 3 x minus 15 as x tends to root 3. If directly put x equal to root 3, there will be 0 and denominator be 0. Therefore, it is the form of 0 by 0. Therefore, limit does not exist in this form. Therefore, we solve it after factorization. In this condition, we can solve it by factorization method. Therefore, limit x tends to root 3. There will be x raised to 4 minus, write as x square minus 3 and x square plus 3. Use here a plus b, a minus b for, and there will be middle term splitting formula plus 5 root 3x minus root 3x minus 15. If this multiply will be minus 15x square, and if we sum it, therefore it will be plus 4 root 3x. Therefore, after that we write at limit x tends to root 3. We can write it this x minus root 3 and x plus root 3. There will be same x square plus 3. Take common from here and here. x plus 5 root 3, and take common here minus root 3. It will be x plus 5 root 3. Root 3 divide this, there will be this form, and after that limit x tends to root 3, x minus root 3, x plus root 3 and x square plus 3. Take common x plus 5 root 3 and it will be x minus root 3. X minus root 3 and x minus root 3 both are cancelled. Therefore, x tends to root 3, keep here and keep here, we get the limit root 3 plus root 3 and root 3x here, there will be 3 plus 3. Here will be root 3 plus 5 root 3. After that, there will be 2 root 3 into 6 and 5 root 3 plus root 3, 6 root 3. This and this cancel, this and this also cancel. Therefore, 2 is the limit of this function. And next question is that prove that limit x raised to n as x tends to a equal to a raised to n. For this, x equal to a plus h. If x tends to a, therefore h tends to 0. Put x equal to a here, therefore h equal to 0. Therefore, limit will be h tends to 0, and in place of x we write a plus h raised to n. After that we write as limit h tends to 0 and a plus h raised to n expand by the binomial expansion a raised to n plus n into a raised to n minus 1 h and plus n into n minus 1 by factorial to a raised to n minus 2 h square plus dash dash plus h raised to n. H tends to 0, put here. This term is free from h. This is h, here is h, here is h and here is h. If h tends to 0, there will be 0, 0 and 0. Therefore, we get a raised to n plus 0 and plus after that 0. Therefore, limit will be a raised to n. Hence, proved. Next question is that find the limit of function this as x tends to 2. If x tends to 2, keep here, there will be 0 and 0. Therefore, first we simplify this. Therefore, limit will be x tends to 2, x by x minus 2 minus 4 by, take common x, it will be x minus 2. After that will be limit x tends to 2. X minus 2 is the common, therefore we take out x minus 2 and there will be x minus 4 by x. Therefore, limit x tends to 2, there will be x square minus 4, 1 by x minus 2 into x square minus 4 by x. Simplify it, it will be limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 into there will be x square minus 4 will be x plus 2 x minus 2 into x plus 2 into x minus 2 upon x. This and this will be cancelled. Therefore, limit x tends to 2 will be x plus 2 by x. Put the value x equal to 2 here. We get the value 2 plus 2 by 2 is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. This is your limit of this function. Thus, today's topic completes. I will continue this topic, therefore continue watching my video. If you are new in my channel, subscribe my channel, like and share my video. Thank you very much.